One Take Tyler here from Vernon Toyota. Today we're going to have a look at this 2014 Honda Odyssey in the EX-L trim. Just over 115,000 kilometers on this one. Very well equipped and in good shape inside and out. Push button start smart key. Leather interior in great condition. Power drivers, heated front seats, backup camera, nav, Bluetooth. It does have a sunroof as well as the home link with the garage door openers there. You can open the side power doors from right here as well as the hatch, so really convenient there. You can also open it from the inside. This is a look at the 8-passenger configuration, as it does have 2 bench seats, and then we can put this middle seat down here. Sorry, it takes 2 hands. Gives you a cup holder there. These seats can flip up and out. You can see there's a little detachment there that's quite easy to use, but when we're trying to get in the back seat, we can just pull it ahead like that. Lots of room for the entrance, and then we just pull the handle and that gets the power door closing that way. It also has parking sensors front and rear. Nice little protective cover on the back bumper there. Power lift gate. Tons of cargo. This is one of the benefits of a minivan. You do get a ton of space when the seats are all up behind that 3rd row. And then when we want to get full cargo, we can just pull this right here, kind of fold the seat in that way, that easy. And all of a sudden we're camping in it, sleeping in it, or just tons of space for moving stuff. So that's just a quick look at this 2014 Honda Odyssey EX-L trim, just over 115,000 kilometers on it. We're asking $26,995 plus fees and taxes. If I can give you any more information, give Tyler a call at Vernon Toyota, 250-545-0687. Thanks and have a great day.